Hi guys, it's that time of the day again where we delve into the mystical world of the British Kung Fu Monthly. Today we're going to be doing issues 52 to 59. We're getting there slowly but surely, people. Don't worry. I'll miss doing this, because I love looking at Kung Fu Monthlies. There they are. So give me a second to get them open. I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, got them all open, so let's enter the world of 70s British Kung Fu Monthly. Issue 52. Outstanding. Let's have a look at issue 52 poster. Look at that, outstanding. You can see who the artist is on this one. Must have been the same guy as the other one. Paul Simmons. Don't know what happened to him. He's an excellent artist. Brilliant, this is. World Bruce Lee Week, 1979. Look at that, eh? Has to be outstanding on the wall, that would. Fantastic. Go on to the next issue. Issue 53. Bit of ETD action there. Absolutely brilliant looking at these again. Really enjoying it. So look at the poster. Bit of the Way of the Dragon action in the restaurant. Excellent. Issue 54. Poster. Bit of ETD again. Bruce in the finger gloves. Outstanding. Issue 55. Bruce in his in a deck chair, that very famous picture of him. Bruce Lee Convention 1980. That's the one Peter Reynolds went to. All day from Scotland. Must have been fantastic. Have a look at the poster. Yeah, it's the same as the front cover, the deck chair shot. Fantastic Orny Kim figure of that. Excellent. Issue 56. Let's look at the poster. Bit of drunk big boss action there. That's when Bruce was pissed with the hookers. Funny that was. Issue 57. Look at the poster. Bit of Enter the Dragon action there. Bruce in his room. Excellent. Issue 58. And this was in that one. Kung Fu Monthly. Marketplace. Pick up some very cool deals on there. Excellent. Say issue 58. Now look at that. I love that sweatshirt. Anybody got that sweatshirt in a medium? Send it to me immediately. Look at it, that's standing. They had some proper gear in them days. Proper gear. Oh, it's crap the mech now. Excellent. Look at the poster. Issue 58. Bit of ETD action. Bruce talking to the old man. I will, old man. The last one for this episode, issue 59. That sweatshirt's brilliant. I love that. So look at the poster. ETD again. Bruce and Mei Ling. Excellent. Right, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day, people. Look out for some more exciting opening up of Kung Fu Monthly tomorrow. Have a great day. And remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!